So we will give priority to functional group first, then double bond, then triple bond, then substituent. No, this thing we have learned when I was teaching you the basics of numerical, rules of numerical. Clear? Another rule was A, E, I, O, U, Y. अगर ये कहीं पर लगा हुआ हो, तो अगर ये सारे कहीं पर हो, तो इनके पहले का जो E होता है, वेदर एल्केन, एल्कीन, एल्काइन, that E will not be. Okay. So let's start with the naming of alcohols. Or you can say OH group. This is the first functional group, OH group. Okay. Okay. So first start. CH3, CH2OH. Remember this thing. I will teach you both the things, common name as well as the IUPAC name. Okay. So common name for alcohols which we used to write is, common name is alkyl alcohol. Okay. This is the common name. On the basis of this formula we will assign. Alkyl हम किस पे decide करेंगे? Number of carbons के ऊपर. ठीक है. For example, if one carbon is there, तो methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, like this. So first start with counting. From which carbon we will start? We will start from this one because OH group is attached with this carbon. So first, second. 2 carbon means eth, ane, 1 all. Previously I just write E here, but because it is followed by O, so that is why we will not write it. So this will be ethanol. Okay. Now we'll talk about common name. Common name I will write in brackets so that you will be able to understand. Ethyl, ethane is because alkyl alcohol was a common name formula. So this is eth. So ethyl alcohol. Second. Next example. CH3, CH, CH3, OH. Now, big confusion that from which carbon we will start the nomenclature or counting. So you can start from this side. It will come 1 on 2, 1 and 2. So you can continue from any side. So I'm starting from this 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. 3 means propane, propane. On second carbon we have all group, that is propanol. And remember this type of arrangement was isopropyl alcohol. Note these down, beta. These are the basic nomenclature. So propane to all is known as this arrangement. This type of arrangement is isopropyl type, and this is known as isopropyl alcohol. Beta, side by side, note these things down because these are your notes. Okay, I want to see these notes in your notebook. Let's just increase the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. OH. Right now I'm not writing hydrogen. Okay. So from which carbon we'll start numbering? From this carbon because OH group is near. The basic rule is we'll have to give the nearest position to the functional group or locant. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Butane 1 all और butanol भी आप सीधे लिख सकते हो. Common name सीधा है. It is like a normal. So this will be N-butyl alcohol. Clear? N-butyl alcohol. Okay. Let's just move to the next one. Okay. C, 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 O, H, C. Now I have changed the arrangement. So from which carbon we have to start? This one, this one. The basic thing, we have to find out the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So either you go in this direction or this direction. The number of carbon will be same. So we'll go in straight away 1, 2, 3. So on second we have methyl. On first carbon we have alcohol. Okay. So the nomenclature will be 2-methyl 1, 2, 3 prop in 1 all. 2-methyl propanol भी लिख सकते हो, propanol 1 all भी लिख सकते हो. जब 1 है तो you just write propanol. Now arrangement again, same type of arrangement is there. So this is iso butyl. Why butyl? Because 4 carbon है, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will consider the entire compound 4-butyl alcohol. Sorry. E. C, 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 OH. This type of arrangement. Remember, common name में काम आएगा. So we can take this chain, on every chain we have arrangement on second carbon. So we'll take in straight away 1, 2, 3. So what will be the nomenclature? 2-methyl, because we have methyl group here. Propane 2 all, or this type of structure is for tertiary carbon. So tert butyl alcohol. Remember, you have to learn IUPAC name as well as the common name of the compound. That's why I'm writing both the things. Next. I'm taking examples of all type of nomenclature, common examples. So how we will do nomenclature? अब कुछ बच्चे बोलेंगे मैम this will be considered as substituent. कुछ बोलेंगे कि मैम this is also a substituent, है ना? So what is this? How this long chain will be? ये सीधा भी हो सकता है ना? This is a straight chain. अगर हम इसको 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 या OH ले लें, so this is also the same. All right. So instead of they just twist the question. So we'll start from this side 1, 2 because OH group is on second carbon from 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? This will be butane 2 all. On second carbon we have all, and IUPAC common name will be. This is secondary type of arrangement. Remember this type of arrangement. This is sec butyl alcohol. I have taught you so many examples. These are the general alcoholic examples. Let me just twist the question, or make it difficult, because these are the simplest one. If I have this, this type of arrangement, then what will be the nomenclature? मैं मतलब 1 carbon. So from which carbon will we start nomenclature? Because on second carbon we have OH group, functional group, and on this carbon we have double bond. So to which we will give preference? First we will give preference to functional group, then double bond. So we will start from this side because we have to give nearest position to this OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is pent 3 in, sorry, on 1, 2, 3, yes. In 3 we have in. So instead of writing E and E, we just write in because it is followed by 2 in 2OL. So ये E यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा था. ठीक है? This will be pent. On 3 we have E and then all. Remember this thing. You must learn that where we have to use suffix, where we have to use prefixes. Okay, and on doing nomenclature, we will consider the alphabetical order. Okay. Let me just give you one more example. Okay. For example, if I have 1, 2, 3, triple bond here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, OH. Then what will be the nomenclature? From we have to start from this side or this side. See functional group. Functional group is on first carbon. So we have to start the nomenclature from this side. We'll not consider this ine. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What will be the nomenclature? On 3 we have methyl, on 1 or we have OH, on 4th we have ine. So see 3 methyl alphabetical order. Pent, on 4th we have ine. Pent ine, 1 all. So simple, we will not write this E because this is followed by O. Okay. But if in case you have some cyclic compounds attached with this, for example, I am attaching one cyclic compound with this. So to which carb, which will be your main, which will be your substituent. So functional group is there on the above chain. So this is considered to be as main chain or E substituent. So from this carbon 1, 2, 2 cyclo 1, 2, 3, 2 cyclopropyl, because whenever anything, any alkane, alkene, or alkyne goes to the substituent, it will be mentioned as I. Okay. 2 cyclopropyl ethane 1 all. और it is not compulsory कि हर किसी का common name हो. Clear? Main common names I have already told you. कौन कौन से होते? Let me just twist this one also. This is a cyclic compound. Double bond inside this and OH here. So now from which carbon to which direction we will start nomenclature? See, we have to start from this one because we know OH group is there on the top. So direction next, if we go this side, then double bond will come on this carbon, and that is actually far away. If we go from this side, this OH group is near. So this double bond is near. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So nomenclature will be cyclo hex. On second carbon we have ene. Cyclohex 2-ene 1 all. Clear? This will be your nomenclature. Is this clear? Okay. Some exceptions are there. Some different type of questions are also there, which I want to tell you. Likewise, let me just change the color for that. For example, I am having this compound on which we have this, matlab carbon, carbon. Remember, I have already teach you this type of example. Now this substituent is known as, is not ethyl. When your carbon chain is directly, for example, is directly attached, it's directly attached, so that will be ethyl. But this is ethene, double bond is also there. So this is ethanyl and this is all. So how you will do nomenclature? On like first carbon, second carbon, and third carbon. So on second carbon we have ethene for double bond, yl for substituent. Ethanyl, cyclo, propane, 1. Clear? So these types of questions you can get in your examination, which can just create confusion. And this is all about the alcoholic group. So they can attach your alcohol in the benzene, in the cyclic compound. They can attach your alcohol in the main chain compounds. So you take the screenshot fast so that you can note it down after the class. Take a screenshot. We'll start with aldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay. Aldehyde formula is CHO. Okay. This is CHO. So either you will see like attaching this like RC double bond OH. So you can see this type of arrangement also. CHO arrangement. Okay. So let's just start. For example, in first, what we will have, if I arrange one hydrogen carbon double bond H. So this is HCOH, HCHO. Okay. Now how will you do nomenclature? Okay, ma'am, only one carbon is there. Remember this. In these type of functional group, we will count this C in the main chain. Count carbon of functional group in main chain. And we were not counting alcohol because since we have carbon in this functional group, so we will count it as main chain. So that is why I took this example. So this is first carbon and only carbon here. So one carbon means methyl. So meth, all single bonds are here. Ane, and on first carbon, your CHO group is attached. So first al. So remember, for aldehyde, in place of all, we use al. Clear? Common name. Formaldehyde. And I think you are very much familiar with this name. The first structure of this is this one, and the IUPAC name is methane 1-al. You will not write the E because it is followed by O here. Okay. Let me just increase the carbons. For example, if I'm having CH3, C double bond OH. Now I have two carbons. So first carbon will be given to the functional group carbon, and second one is this. So this will be ethane al. When something is written on first position, there is no need to write their place. So this will be ethane al. Common name acid aldehyde, and I think you are familiar with the common name. Next, third example. For example, if you have two aldehyde groups, just two aldehyde groups like this attached one to one, so how you will nomenclate now? Because you can consider one, this one or that one. So I'm considering like same direction, 1, 2. So at that time, this will be ethane. On 1 and 2, we have aldehyde group. So 1, 2 dial. Is this clear? And it is not compulsory that it must have a common name also. Okay. It's not compulsory that each and every compound have any common name. Okay. Let me just now increase the number of carbon in the chain. Okay. Let me just make it more complicated. So C double bond O. How you will nomenclate? See, if they ask you the number of hydrogens here, so CH3, 1, 2, 3, CH, 1, 2, 3, CH. So this is CHO. Okay. So this is aldehyde group. So we will consider carbon of the functional group 1 as 1, 2. So you can go this direction or this direction. You will get 3 carbon in your chain. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm taking it straight away 1, 2, 3. What will be the nomenclature? On second, we have methyl. So 2 methyl, 3 carbon are here. Propane, Propane, 1-al. Okay, I'm not writing E here because it will not be written. Okay, let's just do some complications in this. For example, in fifth we have C, 3 carbons, and in both the 3 carbons, I am attaching this functional group. on these carbon, or also I am attaching this one also here. So I have attached 3 functional groups with each and every carbon. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी यहाँ पे कि भाई हमें ये कार्बन को भी कंसीडर करना है और ये कार्बन को भी कंसीडर करना है. ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप के जो कार्बन है वी यूज टू कंसीडर दैट, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल क्या कहता है, वी हैव टू कवर maximum number of functional group and bonds in our longest chain, and we have 3 types of 3 attached, so हमें कोई एक छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. So we'll take it as long chain. This one is our long chain. Okay, this will be substituent. These are the main chains. These are in main chains. So either you can start from this one or that one. I'm starting this one. 1 2 3 4 5. Clear? So main problem is that if I ask you the nomenclature, so you will just write, ma'am, this, we can write it like this simple way. So we will consider this one. So now tell me one thing, कि भाई हमारे हिसाब से हमने longest chain बना ली, तो क्या ये possible है? This is exception type of question. You can get this thing in your paper, है ना? तो हम इसके लिए क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 formyl. Whenever your aldehyde group is in substituent, we use formyl here. Note this thing down. Aldehyde group जब substituent में आ जाता है तो उसके लिए formyl use करते हैं, ठीक है? Pent 1,5-diol. But this is wrong. This is wrong. हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. हमारा वो फॉर्मूला जो हम यूज कर रहे थे कि दैट वी हैव टू इंक्लूड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एंड फंक्शनल ग्रुप इन आवर चेन, तो उस टाइम पे वी विल नॉट काउंट दी कार्बन्स ऑफ दिस एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप. क्लियर? सो अगर आपका ये अरेंजमेंट है, मैं जस्ट पुटिंग इट हियर, कार्बन कार्बन कार्बन, सो CHO CHO CHO, दिस इज सेम. I'm just writing in compact form. So the 1 2 3, the nomenclature will be propane 1 2 3 1 2 3, tri carb aldehyde. Note this thing down. This is exception. Remember this thing. Whenever we are counting the carbon of, when मतलब अगर हम remember एक चीज इसमें ध्यान रखो, जहां पर हम कार्बन काउंट कर रहे हैं चेन के अंदर, like this like that, है ना, there we use write al. But if you are not counting the carbon of the carbaldehydes of your aldehydes, at that time we will write carb aldehyde. This is very important. Okay, so here the carbon are considered in the aldehyde groups only. So that is why this is tricarb aldehyde. Is this clear? For example, if I just increase the number of carbon, this is so CHO, 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 and CHO. Now nomenclature will be, you can start from this one, 1 2 3 4. Okay, the nomenclature will be butane 1 2 3 4, tetra because 4 है यहाँ पर, कार्बल्डिहाइड. ठीक है, so we will not count the carbon. We are not counting the carbon of aldehyde group. But if we count, let me just give you one more example. If here we not count carbon of group, functional group, है ना? I'm just writing like this. If we count, so how will do nomenclature? Carbon, carbon. Here we are counting because this is in our main chain. One is at the end and one is at the starting. So 1 2 3. So this will be propane 1 and 3. 1 and 3 diol. Here we count carbon of functional group. Clear? So दो तरीके से nomenclature होता है. One in which we used to count the carbon of the functional group. Another one where we do not count, जब count नहीं होगा, at that time we use carbaldehyde word, and where we are counting, at that time we will be using al. Clear? This is the basic difference. You need to identify this one. Okay. One more example I want to tell you about formyl. I just told you a new word formyl here. कि कहाँ use करेंगे, यहाँ तो नहीं होगा because यहाँ हम count नहीं कर रहे. Let me just give you one example of formyl. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, CHO, CHO. Yes, CHO and CHO. See, here we can count each and every carbon which is present in the chain. So either we can start from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we can count, take it as like longest chain. So here we can use formyl. But formyl कब होगा? Because we have chain. हमारे carbon यहाँ हो गए, तो मुझे formyl use करने के लिए let me just increase this chain and add some substituent. और मैं यहाँ पे CH2 CHO. Now I have substitute. अब मैं यहाँ formyl use कर सकती हूँ. Because कैसे use कर सकती हूँ? Because I have count this CHO and this CHO is attached first with the methyl group, then with the means aldehyde functional group. Remember with this thing. अगर ये directly attached हो जाता है like this, then we will not count these carbon. But अगर ये attached होने से पहले, if it is attached with methyl group, one carbon, then with the main chain, then we'll name this as formyl. So what will be the nomenclature? On third carbon, on 1, 2, 3, third carbon we are having this one. So name will be named as 3-formyl, alphabetical order, na, EFG. Then फिर methyl. So 3-formyl, this is formyl, this is methyl. So this will be 3-formyl methyl pentane 1 and 5. 1,5 dial. Clear? This is a formyl type of example. So remember this thing, when your carbon hashtag rules. Now I'm telling you some rules, note them down. If CHO directly attached with the ring, then what we will use? We will use carbaldehyde. या substituent की बात हो रही है, याद रखना. When if attached with one carbon, then with main chain, then we will use formyl. Clear? I have mentioned both the things. कहाँ हम carbaldehyde use कर रहे हैं, where we are using formyl. Okay. Let's just take some more examples, because this is quite confusing. So I'm going to give you examples with the cyclic compounds also. Okay. Then if you have aldehyde group or this functional group attached with the ring anywhere. So for example, if we talk about cyclic compound, this is cyclopentane. But if I have this functional group attached here, so this functional group considered to be as the main chain, and this will be a substituent. Clear? So this is 1. So 1 is 1-cyclopentyl. Remember na? Pentane will change into pentyl when come to substituent. Methane al. Instead of writing here, I'm writing here. Methane 1 al. Clear? Or when your this carbon of your aldehyde group is directly attached with the ring. So we also named it as like this. So this is also, both are correct. According to modern IUPAC, this will be also known as cyclopentane कार्बेल्डिहाइड. अब दोनों के लिए नाम अलग अलग हो गए. कैसे? In this we are counting C, and in this we are not counting C, not counting carbon of aldehyde. ठीक है? So इसीलिए मैं दोनों तरीके से आपको नाम बताऊंगी. When we are counting this carbon, and where we are not counting this carbon. Clear? Let me give you one more example. If I'm having this cyclic compound and I will attach your functional group like this over here, so what will be the name? What will be the nomenclature? And remember this thing बेटा, याद रखना. कोई भी चीज पहले आई, फिर नए साइंटिस्ट आए, उन्होंने उसको अच्छे तरीके से इनोवेट किया. अगर तुम्हें ये डायग्राम आता है, इफ यू गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इन योर पेपर एंड यू विल हैव बोथ द आंसर्स, हमें दोनों आंसर्स मिल रहे हैं, तो द बेस्ट विल बी दिस वन, and this will be considered as wrong. Clear? Let me just show you in this also. What will be the nomenclature? On first carbon we have cyclopropyl. तो हम normally लिखेंगे nomenclature के भाई मैम 1 cyclopropyl methane 1 al. But according to modern IUPAC, this is wrong. The correct one is, yes, correct one is cyclopropane carbaldehyde. So this will be correct and this will be considered as wrong. जब आपके डायरेक्टली रिंग से कार्बन अटैच है, तो उस टाइम पर we will use carbaldehyde instead of writing al and all. Clear? Okay. But अभी मैं बता दूं, जब डायरेक्टली अटैच नहीं है, मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ, when C of CHO directly attached with ring, तब हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? कार्बेल्डिहाइड. Clear? But if not directly attached, then for example, the same question I'm changing the above question. First I am attaching CH2, then with the carbon of the aldehyde. Now we will write al, because here this CHO is not directly attached with the ring. So first carbon will be this, second carbon will be this. So your nomenclature will be, on second we have 2 cyclopentyl, 2 carbon means ethane, 1 al or al. So if not directly attached, then we use al. If directly attached, then we use carbaldehyde. Clear? One more example I just want to tell you before the time's up. For example, if I have 2 CHO group attached with my ring, CHO and CHO. So you can start from this one or either this one. So I'm starting this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a sequence. So what will be the nomenclature? Say C, directly attached. And difference is directly attached. What will be the nomenclature? So nomenclature will be cyclohexane, because 6 carbon are here. 1, 4 dicarbaldehyde. Ring attached directly. Okay. अब now एक और बताते हैं last, where we have direct and indirect attachment. Both attachment है यहाँ पे. CH2 then CHO. Now the nomenclature will be different because this is formyl now. This is methyl. So nomenclature will be, we can start from this one, 1, 2, because substituent यहीं से near है, 3 4. So 2-formyl, because on second we have formyl. With formyl we have methyl. 2-formyl methyl, cyclohexane, 1,4 dicarbaldehyde. This is the difference. Clear? When directly attached, carbaldehyde. When it is first attached with one carbon, then with the ring, formyl. Clear? And we also use al, agar simple nomenclature hai. Okay, so we have